Hi everybody. If you recall some time ago, I asked you all to tell me what your favourite sound was. So finally I've put a list together. Of course I added in a few of my own. So here they are. I'm going to read them to you now. The first one will be one that everybody seemed to like, and after that they won't be in any particular order. Waves lapping on the sand, rain falling on a roof and also hitting the window panes, the crunch of autumn leaves under your foot, cascading waterfall and wind whistling through the palm fronds, cleats moving excitedly in the dugout, the crack of a bat at a ball game, the clicking of a matador's heels as he dances the paso doble. The busy sound of an afternoon while lounging on a deck. The clip-clop of horses' hoofs on a cobbled street. An owl in the night. The haunting call of the loon. The crinkle of paper as you unwrap a gift. The skirl of the bagpipes. The whirling of fireflies on a sticky summer's night. A bubbling brook. Logs crackling on the fire. Train wheels hitting the diamond. The sound of my husband's car in the driveway, knowing that he's finally home. The purr of a Ferrari, a quarter spinning, frogs chirping, a cat purring on my lap, birds singing in the early morning, the hypnotic whish of the shower, the tick-tock of a grandfather clock, hearing my baby laughing, the doorbell ringing, signalling the arrival of friends, the drone of a fan blowing, the heat coming on in the middle of a cold winter's night. The random sound of seagulls as you doze on the beach. The ding-dong on a plane announcing your safe landing. The pitter-patter of a toddler running down the hall for comfort when he's awakened with a scary dream. The roar of the Blue Angels as they fly overhead. The hustle and bustle of city life. Church bells tolling in the distance. The crack of the starter's pistol at the beginning of a marathon. The clicking of high heels on a hardwood floor. The crunch of footsteps on freshly fallen snow. Well, these were the favourite sounds you all gave me. I hope you enjoyed hearing them. See you next time with perhaps some more.